souls. Hope you all are doing great. If you like my videos, like my channel, please like, share, subscribe and comment and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of all my future videos. Now coming to today's topic, it is about the Flowermancy readings. Flowermancy just means predicting your things, reading your energies, using flower plants as a tool which you are drawn to intuitively. You select a particular flower or a plant or a leaf, basically anything related to plant, whatever you are drawn to, share the picture with us and we shall do the predictions, do the readings seeing that picture. So it is basically kind of a hybrid or combination of a bit of scrying and psychometry. So it is a combo, it is a fusion of both of them. Here we see the pictures of the plants you have shared. We use it as a tool to do the scrying. So kind of psychometry and scrying both. If you do not know what scrying is, what scrying readings are, what psychometry reading is, please go and watch my other videos, my previous videos on scrying and on psychometry, so that you have more idea on what these are. And do's and don'ts, and what kind of questions you can ask, and the modes and prerequisites we shall discuss now. So do's and don'ts and prerequisites. We just need the picture, of course, of the flower, plant, leaf, whatever you're sending, whatever you are intuitively drawn to. What you have to do, just think of the question in your mind, whatever answer you are looking for. Think of it in your mind, close your eyes, take few deep breaths, be calm, and then just you can open Google or any book wherever you can see images of flowers, plants, trees, leaves, whatever comes to your mind, and then see what is the image which draws you the most, which literally attracts you the most. Click a picture and then share us that. This is what you need to do, along with of course name, full name, date of birth, date, month, year, and current location of the person concerned. Of course you are asking about yourself, right? So we need your details. If there are other people involved, then of course we will need their details as well, along with yours, right? And what kind of questions you can ask? You can ask any questions about past, present, future. Try to ask more towards near future than far future, because of the mentioned reasons in psychometry and other psychic readings. And what questions you should not ask is also the same. Please avoid death questions, negatively intended questions, negatively framed questions, and questions about gender reveal, lottery questions. You can, and yes, medical and legal questions are selective. It depends on what question you are asking and if it is ethical for us to answer that, right? So this is about the don'ts. And what you can ask anything. Far future energies are subject to change in far future, so chances of inaccuracies will be a bit more compared to questions asked about near future. Like if you ask questions about what will happen next month, next week, next year, or 2 years, 3 years, it will be more accurate compared to what will happen 10 years, 20 years down the line, right? Also you can ask any question starting with what, how, why did something happen in my life, what can I do to make some certain things happen, how can I make certain things happen, when questions I would recommend to avoid. If you want to ask when questions, I would recommend to go for tarot readings, or like any of the card readings or runes readings. When questions are not really answered well in this one, Flowermancy. Sorry, I just keep on forgetting the names. Okay, so in Flowermancy. But yeah, still, if it is really important, you can ask it in the form of yes or no, that will this thing happen in so and so deadline? Then we can try to answer that. Or what are the chances of certain things happening in so and so deadline? Don't ask will this thing happen, because it is a free will question. No one can answer free will questions. What is free will? Free will is a choice or decision which you make at any course of time. And no divine energies can intervene with your free will. And this is why no readings are 100% guaranteed. Because let's say if you come to us and you ask, will I clear a particular interview dated on so and so date? We say yes, there are very high chances, yes you will, and then you choose not to appear for that interview. So of course you cannot clear it, right? So this is your free will, your choice, your decision, your action for that particular thing. It can change the entire energies. So this is why it is basically a boon, like you can always use your free will to create good things for you, right? And this is why these divination readings should always be used as a guidance for you, rather than source of prediction which is set on stone. Nothing is set on stone. You always have free will to change the things, change the energies, change the outcome. Yeah, so let's say if you're getting a positive reading, it means that yes, you are in good energy, please maintain that. But if you're getting a negative reading, then it would mean that change your energy in order to change your outcome, right? So always take readings in a constructive way and as a guidance for you, right? And this is why the readings are not guaranteed, right? And I told you what kind of questions you can ask. Excuse me. And now coming to the modes in which we provide these readings, there are four modes: audio, video record, audio, video call, and currently it is subject to change. And in recordings, you have to send an image along with your details and details of concerned people, basically whoever are involved in the question. Send the details, send the question, and we shall send you your answer through audio file, or we shall record, just how I'm going on blabbering the things. Similarly, if you go for a video record, we'll just go and blabber the things. Basically, we'll just tell you the answers. Of course, it's not blabbering, it's just channeled. It's actually channeled message, very sacred, very pure. Yeah, so it was a joke. So you can see the reader's face and they'll just go on telling you the answers in video recording. If you go for on-call readings, you need not send your details and things beforehand. All you have to do is schedule the session and be available at the time of the session. And at that time only, during the session, you shall share your questions, details, and pictures. If it is video call, then of course you can talk with us over online video call. Right? So this is how currently we are doing the readings. It can change in future. Okay, so now talking about the shapes reading, it is basically a reading which I have channeled by the guidance, by the blessings of my angels, my divine beings. So here, what we do, everything is similar to Flowermancy, but the difference is instead of reading the energies of, energies from flowers, plants, and leaves and trees, you have to send us various geometrical shapes which you are drawn to. So it can be a circle, it can be a sphere, it can be a cylinder, it can be a hexagon, it can be any shape, geometrical or non-geometrical shape, or any object also. Anything, any shape, anything you are drawn to, you have to share the picture. It can also be an image of an animal, a bird, anything, or a t-shirt, anything, any shape, anything you are drawn to, any image you are drawn to, basically, except image of a person or god or angels, like not, it should not be any physical, like it should not have a physical appearance. Of course, pets you can, birds you can, but not any physical, not anyone having a physical appearance with like proper human like appearance, no. So you can share any of these pictures, and then reading will be basically in the same way as we do Flowermancy readings. There is no difference at all. So the only difference is there you share pictures of plants and related, like plants, leaves, flowers, and so on. Here you share pictures of geometrical or non-geometrical shapes, and then I will predict you. I'll give you the answers based on those. Okay, rest all the things are the same. So this is about today's video. I hope it is of help to you, and if you have any doubts, any queries, feel free to comment below and I shall be more than happy to help you, assist you with that. And take care, stay blessed. Till we meet again.